Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace H11 Headlight full guide. Begin by removing the hood latch and opening the hood fully to access the headlight assembly. Locate the back of the headlight and remove any dust covers or clips blocking access. Make sure the replacement bulb matches H11 specifications and keep the new bulb by its base to avoid oils on the glass. Start by disconnecting the electrical connector from the H11 bulb by pressing the release tab and pulling gently. Remove any retaining clips or screws holding the bulb in place, then rotate the bulb counterclockwise to free it from the socket. Inspect the wiring for corrosion and clean contacts with electrical cleaner if needed. Dispose of the old bulb properly and avoid touching the replacement bulb glass to maintain lifespan. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more DIY videos. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers to organize bulbs, screws, and small tools while I work. They keep parts tidy and prevent spills. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can find similar containers and accessories. Then now let's get back to the video. Insert the new H11 bulb into the socket, aligning tabs and rotating clockwise until it seats firmly and the retaining clip secures it. Reconnect the electrical connector and test the beam pattern and brightness before reattaching any dust covers or trim. If aim is off, adjust the headlight aim screws until the beam matches vehicle specifications. Close the hood and double-check both headlights function correctly for safe nighttime driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.